Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about the best thing to do before you start a business, guides in writing a business plan. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. You must know how to draft a business plan if you're thinking about establishing a company. Despite having a fantastic startup concept, the majority of companies fail. According to standard statistics, 90% of businesses fail within the first 5 years of operation, with only 1 out of every 10 businesses surviving. So what is it that causes certain firms to fail while others thrive? There might be a number of reasons for this, including but not limited to poor customer service. The absence of a business strategy is mostly due to bad logistics, poor cost management, and insufficient goods. Business plans assist in defining and achieving objectives. Setting specific but attainable goals and charting a path to success may help you realize your dreams and grow your business. We've put up a comprehensive list of things to think about while developing a business plan. These will help you define your goals and the path your business needs to take to reach them. The first step is to define your perception. You have a certain aim in mind when you start a company. You have a clear idea of what you want to accomplish with your company. However, the sharpness of your vision will fade with time, and you will forget some of your amazing ideas. Writing out your company's vision can help you define it, and more importantly, will assist your employees connect with the purpose. All of the company's everyday operations may then be aligned with your company's goal. Writing a company strategy should begin with this phase. The second step, define the aims and objectives of your firm. Never believe that your objectives must be modest in order to meet your limits. Consider the large picture and clearly identify your short-term objectives. The ones you want to accomplish in the next 12 months, long-term objectives are those that will take 2 to 3 years to achieve, while mid-term goals are those that will take 2 to 3 years to achieve. Consider all factors, including the amount of money you want to make, the number of clients you'll need in your database, the target market and age groups, and the quantity of passive income you'll need in the future. The third step, figure out what makes you unique. What distinguishes you from the rest of the pack? You'll be more appealing to prospective consumers if you have a unique selling point, or USP. Anything from new services to individualized customer service is possible. While writing a company plan, you may even provide customers with a stronger after-sales guarantee and support. To make your firm stand out, all you have to do is showcase the extras that your consumers get from you. The fourth step, do market research. It's not uncommon for you to have a wonderful idea only to discover that someone else has already launched a firm with a similar concept. This is a typical occurrence, but you should not allow it to get out of hand. What is the total number of gas stations? Because the market is wide enough to sustain numerous firms, several businesses may offer the same service and yet thrive. Nevertheless, you must know your market like the back of your hand. Find out how many rivals you have, what services they provide, and what the present and future trends are in the industry. You can control the market's inner workings to your advantage if you understand how it works. This is a crucial step in understanding how to build a business strategy. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The fifth step, get to know your prospective client. This is self-explanatory. Customers are the most crucial aspect of any business, and you should be aware of who your company serves. Customers are spoiled for choice with hundreds of alternatives for every product. So you need to know who your ideal client is if you want them to purchase your product. This is why, while drafting a business strategy, you must identify your target audiences and investigate their behaviors. Understanding the reasons behind your customers' behavior may help you run a successful company. You may concentrate on the aspects of your business that pique your consumers' attention and avoid spending time on the rest. Consider what would make people select you if you were in their shoes. Every time you come up with a new concept, write it down and put it into action. 6th step, figure out how much demand there is for your product or service. You must have looked at the supply and demand curve. Even if you have, it stands to reason that your product should be in high demand. Before you invest in a new firm, figure out how much demand there is. The fundamental guideline is that demand should outnumber supply. Your company will grow if this holds true in your market. However, if demand exceeds supply, your firm will collapse. Do your research and collect as much information as possible. You may do a secondary search from the comfort of your home using the internet or at your local library. You may also travel to government agencies to get this information, but primary research is by far the best alternative. You communicate directly with your target audience to learn about their preferences and whether or not they are ready to purchase your goods. So go out there and jot down all of the great ideas you come up with for increasing demand. Be careful and don't spend your life's resources until you know for sure that your product will sell. The 7th step, determine your marketing goals. Setting marketing objectives is the next stage in building a company strategy. There are the objectives that determine how your product will appear, how much it will cost, how it will be distributed, and how it will be promoted. The majority of firms do this, but they overlook the most crucial aspects. Set quantifiable marketing goals that will aid in the achievement of your key company objectives. You'll be able to identify your marketing goals by asking yourself these questions. The 8th step, develop a marketing plan. To attain them, you'll need a strategy. What are your objectives? How many goods do you need to make yourself and at what profit margin in order to make the money you want? What will your distribution system and coverage area be? What marketing techniques do you have in place to promote your company? Be as precise as possible while developing a business strategy, since this will translate into action and your final success or failure plan for each company. This is a crucial phase in drafting a business plan, so get familiar with it so you can quickly navigate through it. The 9th step, get to work. And of course, without action, everything else is pointless. This is the most crucial aspect of a company strategy. You may plan all you want, but you won't make any money until you really work and get clients to your shop. Don't give up if your business plan shows that your concept isn't practical. There are plenty of additional options available, and you'll eventually discover one that works for you. There is a business waiting for you to seize if you want to be rich, healthy, and happy. Your company strategy will lead and concentrate your efforts. You must take the initial step, but launching a profitable company is not difficult if you know what to prioritize. You are now aware of what is essential and how to approach the work of drafting a business plan. You are now better prepared to launch a successful company. Begin your investigation immediately. Write down your excellent thoughts. Set your objectives, discover a way, and do not allow anybody to deter you. Now that you understand how to construct a business plan, you have the key to your success in your hands. Make the most of the situation. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.